The first thing we see in the manual is the model name, MS9001FA. From this code, you're supposed to understand the turbine family, the technology generation, and roughly what kind of power output it's built for. Let's start with the first part, MS. This was GE's internal naming style for their heavy-duty gas turbines. It was called the MS style. In GE's official documents, MS means machine set or mechanical set, meaning the complete package, turbine, generator, and all accessories working together as one mechanical unit for power generation. Some unofficial sources say it means model series, and many engineers casually say it stands for mechanical shaft. Whichever meaning you prefer, it doesn't really change anything. What matters is what comes next. The number 9 represents something very important, the frame size. That's basically the overall size and power class of the turbine. The higher the number, the larger the turbine, and the more power it produces. Frame 5 was small, around 25 to 30 megawatts. Frame 7 was bigger, reaching 80 megawatts and more. And Frame 9 is the real giant, over 250 megawatts of output. So here, we're looking at GE's largest frame class, and the number also tells us this is a 50 Hz machine. Frame 9 models are designed for 50 Hz, meaning they spin at 3,000 RPM. The code 001 usually means it's a single shaft model, one shaft driving the compressor, turbine, and generator together for driving the generator. If you ever see 002, that's normally a two-shaft version. Now let's talk about the letter F. This shows the technology class or generation, so this turbine belongs to the F-class gas turbines. Before the F-class, GE had B-class, very old tech, E-class, better efficiency and higher firing temperatures, but still below F-class. The F-class was a major upgrade. GE designed it to run at higher firing temperatures, achieve better efficiency, and use less fuel. After the F-class came the H-class, which uses more advanced cooling and the highest efficiency levels. Now, the final letter, A, represents the upgrade version within the same class. So FA is an improved version of the original F-class. Upgrades usually include new materials, better cooling, or improved combustion like the DLN system. These improvements increase power, increase efficiency, and reduce emissions. You may also see names like FB or FA+. These are just further upgrades inside the F-class family. Numbers after the A, like 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, are additional upgrade packages. These may include better cooling systems, newer DLN versions like DLN 2.6+, improvements in the hot gas path, or more fuel flexibility. There's also another naming system that GE used in some documents, especially in the 1990s and early 2000s. You might see a model written as PG9351FA. It's the same turbine, just a different naming convention. PG usually means power generation. The numbers 3 and 5 are GE internal configuration codes related to turbine stages and compressor compression ratio. The rest of the code is the same idea. 9 is the frame size, F is the technology class, A is the upgrade version. This naming style slowly disappeared, and GE went back to the MS style. But even today, many engineers still use both names interchangeably. So, PG9351FA equals MS9001FA equals GE9FA heavy-duty gas turbine. To wrap it up, GE organizes its turbines mainly by two things. 1. Frame size. 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. Larger number equals larger turbine and higher power output. And each frame has a 50 Hz version and a 60 Hz version, but not every frame supports both frequencies. For example, frame 6 and frame 9 are always 50 Hz. Frame 7 are always 60 Hz. Now, technology class, B-class, E-class, F-class, and H-class. The newest generation, especially the H-class like the HA series, now uses a simplified naming style, 9HA or 7HA, Short, simple, and easy to recognize worldwide. And today, the 9HA is GE's most advanced turbine. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. In the next one, we'll explore the turbine nameplate and decode all the information printed on it. See you next time.